everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I'm going to show you how to make chicken and dumplings. Real easy, simple ingredients that you already have at home, or ingredients that are very cheap and very easy to get. If you guys would like to know how I make this delicious bowl of chicken and dumplings, then let's get into this video. But first, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell, everyone, so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Let's get into this video. Okay, everyone, so the ingredients that I am going to use to make my chicken and dumplings are laid out here. Okay, so I have some shredded chicken. Let's start with that. You're gonna need some shredded chicken. Next, we are going to chop up a whole onion. Okay, that's what you can see I have here is a whole onion chop. Also, I have some chopped celery. Use 2 to 3 stalks of celery. I have a stick and a half of butter. Okay, then I have me 3 bay leaves and I have some thyme. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Of course, I chopped some parsley. Well, I have 2 quarts of chicken broth I'm going to use. Okay, so this is 1 quart, which is 4 cups equals 1 quart of chicken broth. Can you guys see the chicken broth? Okay, so we have that, and I am going to use some cream of chicken. Okay, now the reason why I have these biscuits is because people don't realize dumplings are nothing but biscuit dough. Period. Point blank. There's no way of getting around it. It is a biscuit. Okay, so this is simplified for the mothers who don't have time to make their biscuits from scratch. So we're going to use these biscuits. And also we are going to use the frozen style sweet peas and carrots. Okay, now let's get into the seasonings that I am using. I have some garlic powder, everyone. Okay, I am using some slap your mama seasoning. Okay, now that's optional if you don't want to use it, but I want to. I'm using some black pepper. I'm using some onion powder. Okay, can you guys see that? Onion powder. And also I have some chicken bouillon based powder. Okay, so we're gonna use that. If you just have the cubes, remember to use about 3 or 4 cubes. I would say 3 cubes for a smaller pot, or 2 cubes for a smaller pot. And also I did have some fresh garlic that I cut up. If you don't have fresh garlic to cut, you got the squeezable garlic. You can use the squeezable garlic, or you can just stick with the garlic powder. Either way it goes, I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be extremely deliciously large pot. And I cannot tell you how big it is because it's off the bottom of the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my stick and a half of butter. And we are going to allow this stick and a half of butter to melt. Okay, so while your butter is melting, you can go ahead and take your biscuits. Now y'all see how these biscuits are. We just gonna cut these biscuits like this. Just cut them into 4s, like so. Okay? You can roll it up into a ball, or you can just drop it off in there like that. And it's gonna be real simple, okay? If you wanna go ahead and roll it up into a ball and have a ball, just do it like that. And you can drop it off in there, like so. Or you can just do it like this, okay? So that's all I'm gonna do is just take them and cut my biscuits into 4s and make little small balls. Okay, we just simplifying this, okay, ladies and gents. just go ahead and just do the same thing. Separate your biscuits and take them and make you some little balls. Let me do this one more time for y'all. Because these are going to swell, okay? Okay, you guys, so now after our butter has melted, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw our onions and our celery into this pot. And we are going to saute our onions and our celery, okay? And we are going to saute that garlic, but we're gonna do it after this has cooked down. And this should take about, to get it softened really, really well, let this go ahead and saute for about, I would say 8 to 10 minutes, okay? At the most, no longer than 12, okay? Because we want them to be nice and good. So I'm gonna do mine for, because I have so much, I'm gonna let these cook down for about 10 minutes, okay? And while these are sauteing down, I'm gonna continue to roll up my biscuit balls for my dumplings, okay? Okay, everyone, so after we have sauteed our vegetables and they're softened and translucent and letting off a good fragrance, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to add our chicken. And this chicken, like I said, is pre-cooked chicken, but we're doing a little twist, okay? We're gonna just saute this for a few minutes. Just a few minutes. I know some people are like, what is she doing? Trust me, you're gonna like it. Any recipe can be elevated, okay? Stir it around with those onions and do this for about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? 3 to 4 minutes. Because a lot of the flavor and the seasoning is gonna come in when we add our broth and everything, okay? So do this for about 4 minutes. Okay, everyone, so now we're gonna start putting everything together. So let's go ahead and let's start adding in our chicken broth, okay? And remember, that is 1 quart right there. And I'm gonna use this 2nd quart, okay? So I'm using 2 quarts of chicken broth. And because I wanna make this whole pot full, I am gonna add I'm gonna add some water to it, okay? Let me stir this together and mix that up, because you wanna make sure that your liquid covers all of your ingredients. Go ahead and add the water. Use about 2 to 3 cups of water, okay? And now we're gonna go ahead and start adding our seasoning. Remember, I have my bay leaves, and I'm using 3, and I have some thyme. Don't use too much of thyme, okay? Because you don't want it to overpower everything. We're gonna add some black pepper. Don't use more than about 2 to 3 tablespoons of black pepper. We're gonna use about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Slap Your Mama seasoning. And don't add salt because these ingredients have salt in them. And we're gonna use 3 chicken bouillons, okay? If you got the powder kind that you need to measure out, that's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm trying to get the rest of it out of here, of the chicken bouillon, okay? And I didn't saute my garlic, so that's why you didn't see me add it in. I forgot to saute the garlic with my vegetables, but we have that garlic powder, okay? Add in our dumplings. And we're gonna allow this to come to a boil, okay? Add your dumpling balls. And we're gonna allow all this to boil. And when these dumplings are just about done, that's when we're gonna add in our cream of chicken and our sweet peas. And okay, so I'm adding my 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. They are 10.5 ounces each. Make sure that you stir your cream of chicken soup into your dumplings very well, okay? Like you see I'm doing here, make sure that it dissolves. After you put both cans of the cream of chicken soup in, go ahead and add your frozen bag of sweet peas and carrots. Now, if you don't have the cream of chicken soup, you can use cream of mushroom soup. If you want to use 2 bags of the sweet peas and carrots, you can. I'm just using 1. And as you can see, the cream of chicken soup allows it to thicken up. At this point, go ahead and take your bay leaf and your thyme out, okay? Nobody wants to bite down on your bay leaf and your thyme. Okay, everyone. So our chicken and dumplings are done. They will be done when the dough is cooked thoroughly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm adding some parsley flakes for a bit of color. It's just for decorations and it looks good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, share this video out with each and every one you know. Stay tuned to my channel for another video. And please don't forget to tell me in the comment section how you guys enjoy your chicken and dumplings. And you can also talk in the comment section, chat about your favorite memories of maybe your mom or grandma eating chicken dumplings, or the first time you can remember eating chicken and dumplings, because this is one of my favorite meals that I got from my mom. Can't you guys see all of those dumplings? They're very soft. The shredded chicken, the carrots, and the sweet peas. Whew, you guys, I'm ready to chow down. It's very delicious, full of flavor. Taste it throughout the cooking process so that you can know exactly how much of seasoning you have, because you don't want to over season. You don't want to over salt, okay? Thanks for tuning in to Cooking with TK, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day, and please don't forget to try my recipe. Peace out.